Time for a first look at the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
So we're tracking some showers that are moving in from the west. This is a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The weather looks okay this evening, and a passing shower or two is possible. Some stronger weather out towards Buffalo, some severe thunderstorms in effect. The ingredients are better out here compared to east. In other words, I think these are going to be falling apart before they get here later tonight, but we could see rumble of thunder as this arrives. It's all part of a cold front that's going to be moving through. Temperatures are in the upper 50s. We have an east wind. We're tracking showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder tonight. The weather looks nice tomorrow. We'll see a return to sunshine and overall a pretty nice and warm week ahead. We have an opportunity to see the northern lights this week. I'll let you know which day we're talking about, what the sky conditions are going to be looking like. Temperatures in the 50s this evening, showers. Again, maybe a rumble of thunder tonight. Got to look at the forecasts coming up. Chris, back to you.
Rome police are.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking a few showers this evening, and even a few rumbles of thunder later tonight. This is a live look in downtown Utica. Temperature 57 degrees, kind of an unsettled day, although we did get some breaks of sunshine and some rumbles of thunder. We're going to be expecting more of the same heading into this evening and tonight. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Pretty quiet for now, but I'm tracking this area of showers. This will be arriving over the next hour to the west. Some thunderstorms have developed out towards Buffalo. Some of these are packing a little bit of a punch here this evening. The ingredients for stronger storms are only to the west. By the time these move east, they are going to lose energy, especially since they get here after sunset. So can't rule out a rumble of thunder, but I'm not expecting more than that, although we will, of course, keep an eye on these as they move east. The northern lights could be visible tomorrow night. There's some energy that's expected to come off the sun that could interact with Earth's atmosphere. And the forecast is calling for clear skies. So tomorrow night, after sunset, be on the lookout. You want to look to the north, be away from city lights. And my best advice is to have some sort of app to track these. There's a lot of different apps out there. Many of them are free. And what we've learned is that if you want to see these lights, they come out for short periods of time. There's no way to tell exactly when, but you can track them in real time with different types of apps that can help you spot them. Also, too, remember the Lyrid meteor shower continues in the night sky. You can look to the north. Tonight's not a great night to view this, but maybe tomorrow night. It's going to continue as we head throughout the next couple of days. So our sky watchers checking in. Barneveld 53, Mike New Hartford 61, Norway 51 degrees, Sandy and Fairfield 53, and Worcester checking in with 60 degrees. Scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder roll in tonight from a cold front. In the wake of this cold front, the weather dries out. We should see some sunshine here tomorrow and Wednesday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, passing showers, a rumble of thunder tonight. Overnight lows drop into the upper 40s. We'll start out tomorrow morning with clouds. The sun comes out in the afternoon. High temperatures climb into the upper 50s. Clear skies tomorrow night. It's chilly. We'll drop down into the 30s. Wednesday looks beautiful. Sunshine, high temperatures close to 60. Showers tonight, maybe a rumble of thunder, low 47. Tomorrow, clouds give way to sunshine. A nice afternoon, bit of a breeze, a high of 57. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The weather remains dry for most of the week, and we warm up. We're into the low 70s Thursday and Friday. Some showers arrive late Friday. Slightly cooler over the weekend. Showers Saturday. We're into the low 60s Sunday. Then back to almost 70 again by Monday.
All right, Bill, thank you. Still to come here on.
Time now for a first look at the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Beautiful look from Sunday. Gorgeous day Sunday.
So we've had a lot of people asking me, what's up with this?
That looks like the horizon, so to speak, like the mountains.
Yeah, so this is a strange cloud formation. I mean, it's not that strange. It just looks weird. It looks like the clouds just are sliced in half. You got blue skies, clouds. This is all caused by wind shear. We had a lot of people asking us about this. Just a faster moving river of wind that's causing the clouds to have that sharp edge to them that they typically don't have. Big thank you to Megan Nolan for taking that picture and sending it in. We, again, had a lot of folks asking us questions about that. Looking ahead, a couple of showers out there. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Temperatures are in the 50s, cloudy skies and east-southeast wind at around 9 miles an hour. We're expecting temperatures to really warm up as we head towards the end of the week. Looking at highs in the 70s by Thursday and Friday. We've got a warm week ahead. Once we get through tomorrow, a little bit on the cooler side. Down into the 40s tonight, mostly cloudy. We should see a return to sunshine, though. We're going to look at the forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Thank you. It's a homecoming.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are taking a live look in downtown Utica. A dreary evening here in central New York. Some light rain continues to fall, a temperature of 54 degrees. The back edge of this rain is moving east, and we do get a chance to dry out as we head into tonight. We look farther west, and you can see that there is an end to this rain. A couple of thunderstorms still in western New York. These are moving east, and again, things will be quieting down as we head into tonight. Northern lights could be visible tomorrow night. The odds look relatively small, but they're there. Skies are expected to be clear tomorrow night as well, so we'll keep you posted. We're also keeping track of the hummingbirds. They are migrating north. We've had reports of hummingbirds in the lower Hudson Valley. A recent report of a hummingbird spotted in Malta, New York, so that's in Saratoga County, not far away from us. So I think they're going to be out within the next week. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a couple of local folks starting to spot them, at least the first arrivals here. Many of them arrive in early May, particularly around Mother's Day, at least in years past. We've got the Lyrid meteor shower that continues. It's peaking tonight as well as tomorrow night. Might be a little easier to see this tomorrow night without the cloud cover. 5 to 10 meteors per hour. Look to the north for constellation Lyra. Really anywhere in the night sky you can get meteors. This is not a very active meteor shower, but about 5 to 10 per hour is possible as it peaks out here over the next couple of days. Bigger picture shows low pressure moving in, scattered showers, a cold front moving through tonight. On the other side of this front, the weather does improve. These showers will be around for the next couple of hours and they move east. Mostly cloudy skies tonight, overnight lows in the upper 40s. Clouds give way to sunshine tomorrow. Nice day. Temperatures climb into the upper 50s. The weather looks clear tomorrow night. It gets pretty chilly. We drop down into the 30s. Wednesday looks beautiful. Lots of sunshine, slightly warmer with high temperatures in the upper 50s to the low 60s. And the weather starts to really warm up as we head into Thursday and Friday. Showers tonight, low 47. Tomorrow, decreasing clouds, 57 for the high. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Low 60s on Wednesday. We're into the 70s Thursday and Friday. A couple of warm days ahead. Cold front arrives Friday night. It is cooler for the weekend. Showers Saturday, 62. But again, with all things in perspective, that's pretty warm.
And you look at the lows, like tomorrow night's the lowest of them all, and everything else.
We're slowly warming up.
Like that. All right,
Yeah.
Thank you, Bill. Well, the first look at the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. All right, this is a phenomenon that will catch you by surprise if you're driving along because you're not expecting something like this.
Yeah, you look in the sky, it's a beautiful day, and there's just this line in the sky. There's a cloud, and it's like a super sharp edge. It's almost like there's like a knife's edge to this.
But it looks like, oh, that's the mountains and that's the sky from the picture.
Right.
But in person, you're like, what?
So this is caused by something called a wind shear. So the winds are moving very fast along the edge of this in the jet stream, and that's why it's causing this very distinct shape. This stretched across our entire area. A big thank you to Megan Nolan for taking that picture in Verona. And again, that was yesterday. Quite cloudy today. Didn't see cool formations like that. What we did see was some rain, and we still have some rain out there tonight. So live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Rain is moving out. The weather is going to dry out tonight. Temperature of 53 degrees, cloudy skies. We've got some really warm weather on the way. specifically Thursday and Friday, we're looking at high temperatures in the 70s. That's about 15 degrees above average. It was very warm on Saturday. Looks like we're going to do it again 2 days in a row later this week. Mostly cloudy skies tonight, low of 47. The rain does come to an end. A nice day tomorrow, cooler and a bit of a breeze, but we'll see some sunshine. We're going to look at the forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. It's a
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. It's dreary out there tonight. We have a cold front moving through now, and it's producing some showers. So live look at downtown Utica, temperature of 53 degrees. The back edge of the rain is slowly moving into our area. There's a few rumbles of thunder to the south along the southern flank. So it is possible that we could get a rumble of thunder south of the Mohawk Valley this evening, but wouldn't be much more than that. Tomorrow night, there's a slight chance that the northern lights could come out. I think that you're going to need to have a camera that's able to take night pictures to be able to see this, but skies are expected to be clear, and there's some solar activity out there. So there is the chance. We'll follow up with this tomorrow night and see if this is going to happen or not. One thing we know is going to happen, it's just a matter of time. The hummingbirds, they are migrating north, spotted today in Malta. That's out in Saratoga County, not that far from us. So I think it's just a matter of time before the first ones show up, probably within the next 1 to 2 weeks, with many of them arriving in early May. The Lyrid meteor shower peaks tonight. Of course, it's going to be a little hard to see with the cloud cover, but it will still be ongoing tomorrow night, and skies are expected to be clear. You're going to look to the north for constellation Lyra. About 5 to 10 meteors per hour are expected. During the peak of this, it could be as high as 20. So again, you might have some luck with the meteor shower tomorrow night with the clear skies. Cloudy skies tonight. Again, this cold front moving to the east. Behind it, the weather dries out. The winds will be picking up, but we expect the sunshine to be out tomorrow. Tonight, cloudy skies. Showers come to an end. Overnight lows drop into the upper 40s. Clouds tomorrow give way to sunshine. Looks like a beautiful day. Bit of a breeze. Temperatures in the upper 50s. Clear skies are expected tomorrow night. Overnight lows drop into the upper 30s, so it's chilly out there. It'll be chilly Wednesday morning, but it'll be another nice and sunny afternoon with high temperatures close to 60 degrees. Showers tonight, low 47. Clouds give way to sunshine tomorrow. It's a little bit cooler than today. The breeze will be picking up in the afternoon, a high of 57. Storm Tracker 2's 7-day forecast. It's a beautiful and warm rest of the week. Wednesday, mostly sunny, 62. Thursday, Friday, those are the highlights. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Thursday in particular. Friday, a few late day showers, 74. It does cool down over the weekend. Showers Saturday, 62. But again, all things considered, low 60s, not that long ago, would have been considered amazing.
We'll take this week. We deserve it.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir. Well,